Hello dear traders, despite rather negative conditions, the pound sterling is expected to rise. The Bank of England has decided to cut the key interest rate to 0.25% from 0.75%. Amid the decision, the British pound showed a short-term drop and then recouped its losses rather quickly. Moreover, the pound sterling has ignored poor data on the UK economic growth. In the given period, the UK GDP growth rate slowed down to 0.6% from 1.2%. The figures turned out to be below the forecast of 0.8%. The UK industrial production data is also rather weak. The indicator dropped by 2.9% compared to a decline by 1.8% in the previous period. The pound sterling dynamic can be explained by the fact that the Bank of England's decision was rather predictable. However, market participants did not expect that the key rate could be cut in March. At the moment, markets are mainly focused on the Fed's key rate decision. It's quite possible that the regulator can lower the benchmark rate to 0.75% during its next meeting. That's why the US inflation figures are of primarily importance today. In the forecasts, if they come true, the Fed will cut the key interest rate. Such a decision can boost both the pound sterling and the euro. However, the British pound rise will be capped by the Bank of England's decision and weak macroeconomic data. The euro-dollar pair managed to come back to the level of 1.1300. After hitting this level, the pair is likely to edge down to 1.1275 or rise to 1.1370. Buy positions can be opened above the 1.1370 level with the target at 1.1400, 1.1440. Sell positions can be opened below 1.1275 with the targeted level at 1.1245, 1.1200. During the previous day, the pound-dollar pair showed extremely high activity and returned to the level of 1.2885. In fact, it is a recovery process. A downward correction is still possible. Under the current conditions, the quote can get stuck around 1.2880, 1.2970. At the moment, the pair is trading within the range of 1.2770, 1.2885 and 1.3000. To enter a new stage, the pair should break the 1.2770 level. That's all for now. We keep monitoring the financial market situation. Subscribe to our channel and keep abreast of the latest news. See you back soon.